Hello, lovely viewers. Today we have an exciting topic for all the amazing women out there. Healthy meal prep for women's weight loss. If you're on a weight loss journey and want to make it delicious and efficient, you've come to the right place. So let's dive into the world of meal prepping for a healthier, happier you. We all know that eating healthy is a key part of any weight loss plan, and meal prepping is a game changer. It's about preparing nutritious meals in advance, making it easier to stay on track. Let's explore why healthy meal prep is so crucial. Healthy meal prep helps you save time, money, and most importantly, it ensures that you have control over the ingredients in your meals. No more last-minute unhealthy food choices. So how do you begin with meal prep? First, create a meal plan. Decide what you want to eat for the week and choose a variety of foods to keep things interesting. Next, make a shopping list based on your plan to avoid impulsive and unhealthy purchases. Once you've got your ingredients, set aside some time to cook and prepare your meals. You can batch cook proteins, chop veggies, and portion out your meals. Investing in good quality containers is a must. Portion control is crucial for weight loss. With meal prep, it's easy to control portion sizes. Make sure to balance your meals with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of veggies to keep you full and satisfied. Now, let's get creative with some healthy meal prep ideas. How about grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted vegetables, or a colorful and hearty salad with a homemade vinaigrette? The possibilities are endless. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Water is your best friend on this journey. Carry a reusable water bottle to ensure you're drinking enough. Sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger. In conclusion, healthy meal prep is a powerful tool for women on a weight loss journey. It's about taking control of your diet, making healthier choices, and reaching your goals. Remember, consistency is key. If you're serious about your weight loss journey and want a comprehensive solution, we strongly recommend our highly recommended weight loss program. It's tailored to meet the specific needs of women looking to shed those extra pounds. You can find the link to this program in the video description below. We believe it can be a game changer for many of you, so be sure to check it out. Your health and well-being are worth the investment. Thank you for joining us today. We're here to support you on your health and fitness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay positive, and stay fabulous.